Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create Peter Griffin on the infinite graph? So it's going to be really fast, so bear with me. Earth. Go put Earth here. And then we need swamp. And on the swamp, just put water underneath it. That's quagmire, by the way. And fire to create steam. Here you go, to create cloud. Double tap the cloud here. Triple tap the cloud to create rainbow. And then add mud to that to create pig. Now put fire in the pig to create bacon. Let's put aside the fire here. And we need to make a volcano here. Double tap the fire to volcano. Put it on bacon. And put it on quagmire. So here you go. Here's Peter Griffin. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.